Welcome, everyone. Welcome, everyone. So, how many Rogers are there more?
Sir, nine more roses left
Nine
actually.
more. Okay.
Yeah, today is 21st. Yeah.
So we are going to celebrate Eid, Holy Eid, on 21st or 22nd.
Yes.
Wonderful. Are you inviting us?
Sure, sir. Yeah.
Who is inviting us?
I will.
You?
Sorry.
Are you inviting us?
Yes, sir.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Boston is just 3 hours from
Yeah, no problem, sir.
my place.
I will invite you.
I'll be there. Okay.
Sure, sure.
You can come here too, no problem.
Where?
In New Jersey.
Oh, you are in New Jersey, right?
Yeah.
Then you are very close. Very close.
Yeah.
Maybe 1 hour only. Okay,
Where
I can
in
cover
New
both. I can go to Boston, and in the evening I can go to New Jersey. No problem.
Sure.
And Mahamudullah Bhaiya is in New York. I can cover it too. Okay. And Mr. Mehdi Masood, he is not inviting me. Okay. That is why he is not he is not going to join our class till Eid. He will join after Eid. Okay, so that he doesn't need to invite us. I'm just kidding. Don't take it too serious, okay? All right. So we are already 15 minutes late, and I believe no one is going to join today except maybe for Ignatius. Okay. So what did we discuss in the last class? Do you remember?
What is greater than, equal than, like these signs?
And what else? What else?
That one I have to check again.
Actually, we discuss operators, string, and also if else, right?
Oh yeah.
And we also discuss Java switch statement. So today we are going to discuss with loops, okay? Loops in programming language, especially in Java. Okay, fantastic. Loops are very important, okay? So conditional statement and looping statement, these are interview questions, remember. So you have to practice a lot. You really want to crack the interview, okay? Eclipse, I'm going to open Eclipse. I just press command and spacebar, then type Eclipse, then press on return button on Mac operating system. Okay, then Eclipse ID launcher will pop up, then click on launch. Okay, fantastic. So this is maximized Eclipse. Okay, how we can minimize it, how we can restore. Do you know how?
Control minus.
Control minus, no. If I say control minus, you see, it's minimizing. I want to restore, so it will be like control M,
M.
M,
Okay.
M. Control M. Yes.
Yes. Control plus M. And again, when I say Control M, it will be maximize the canvas. Again, I can restore with Control M. Okay. Well, these are sometimes, when interviewer tell you to share the screen, suddenly he can ask you how you can maximize and minimize your canvas. Just you say, I usually do it using Control M, and again to restore the previous mood, Control M. Okay. Then again can tell you how you um, control minimizing and maximizing the fonts on Eclipse. Control plus and Control minus, right? Sorry. If you are on Mac, it is Command plus and Command minus. Okay. Now Java fundamentals. Let's go to Java fundamentals. Java variables, Java evals. Now it is Java for loop. Okay. So I can say loops in Java. Okay, public static void main. I check in and click on finish. And let's see, what is loop in Java? Do you have any idea? I know Sanjida knows it. Sanjida is full stack software developer, so she definitely knows it. Loops can execute actually in Java. We use loops to execute execute or run a block of code as long as a specified condition is true. Condition is, I can say, risks, or condition is, you can say condition is met or condition is true, whatever. Okay. loops are very useful, or you can say loops are handy. Okay, because they save a lot of time. Okay, it saves our time. What is loop? First, loop in any programming language, loop executes a block of code as long as a specified condition is true or met or reached. Okay, and why do you use loop? Excuse me. Why do you use loop or loops? We use loops because these are handy, very useful, and it saves our time. And when we save time, we save money for our company, and company loves it. Okay. If you don't use loops, meaning you are wasting your time. Okay. And you can say also reduce loops, reduce errors. Okay. errors. And loops make codes or programs more clear or clean. Make more readable. Clear?
Yes.
What is loop? And why do we use loop? Okay. There are a couple of loops in Java, definitely. While loop in Java. Okay. The while loop loops through a block of code as long as a specified condition is true. Okay. And it does have syntax. What is syntax, Sanjita?
Yes, sir.
What is syntax?
Syntax is a grammar.
Syntax is a grammar. So grammar, the loop, while loop does have grammar rules, and usually it comes with while, then inside the bracket condition, okay, then curly braces. Here will be code block, program you want to execute to be executed, okay, and curly braces. Okay, this is the syntax for while loop. Okay. So, Mr. Tawhid is citizen, right? Are you
Yes.
there, Tawhid?
Yeah, I'm here.
Are you citizen?
Yeah, I am.
Okay. So you are going to job market next month, right?
Sure.
Okay. So get ready. We are preparing a resume and you want to get internship, right?
Yes.
Okay. If you are ready for internship, we can market you next month, and hopefully this is April, May. In June, you will be on the job training. Okay.
Sure. Thank
June
you.
or July, by June, July. So practice object-oriented programming every single day. Okay.
I will. Will you like give me like some homework to do so I can practice? Because if I'm doing it alone, all I'm doing is basically just, watching videos and then, yeah,
Okay. Not a problem.
thank you.
So this is syntax. Now, if anyone asks you in the interview, what is the syntax of while loop? Meaning, what is the formula? Okay. What is the rule? So you have to tell it starts with while, then parentheses. Inside the parentheses, there will be condition and curly braces, opening curly braces and closing curly braces. In between opening and curly braces, we have to write the block of code that's to be executed. Okay, so it is the syntax. Now let's see the example. How does it work? Example of one loop. Okay. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So let's see. Excuse me. The weather is changed suddenly, and it makes me a little suffering, cold and cough. So I can say int I equal to 0. Okay. I is nothing but here what? Variable, right? It can be X, it can be A, it can be J, it can be L, it can be N, it can be M. Okay. It can be anything. But in the programming world, always we say int I equal to 0, especially when we use loops in Java. Okay, so I say while, this is the syntax started, while I is less than 5 or 10. Okay, see, so I press Control spacebar and say I print I. Okay, if you run it, let's see what happens. What happens? It's
The
Infinite.
loop.
infinite loop. Okay, infinite loop. You see, it's infinite, meaning unending. You see. All right. I'm closing, still it is looping through unlimited. All right. So we cannot do it. It might crash my computer. Okay. Now it's not allowing me to do anything. So I close it. Okay. Still. Okay. No. Actually, I wanted to show you what happens. No, it's not even allowing me to stop it. Okay, that's not good. Okay,
Is there a button like run stop like next to the green or will it work?
yeah, it's not working. I'm trying to do it. Okay, let's find it out the solution. How I can exit from
I think Control C, it will work. I think Control
Control
C.
C.
Yeah.
Okay, Control C. It's not working for me. It's working for you?
Oh, whenever I press Control C, then it stopped. When I'm doing JavaScript or C programming, that time.
Yeah, it's not working for me. Control C, Control C. Okay. Maybe on Windows it will work, but on let me check how to, come on, how to stop infinite loop in Java. There is solution. Google Mama always can give a solution, no matter. What's wrong? My internet down. Can you hear me?
Yes, I hear you.
Yes, sir.
Can you hear me?
Sir, I can hear you.
It's so slow. Let me close for this. How to stop infinite? Come on. I don't know why it becomes so slow. It's giving solution. It will not work for us. Okay. Actually, there is no solution. All right. I have only one solution. That is right now. I can copy and delete. Okay. Let me open it again. Usually we don't do it, so we don't need to worry about it. Okay. But I just wanted to show you what happens when we do infinite loop. So right button, click. I can paste there. Actually, it didn't work. Okay. Okay. Now, now you know the syntax, right? So I just say int I equal to 0, and while condition I is greater than 10 is true or false. Is it true or false?
It's true.
I is less than 5, less than 10, true or false?
It's yeah, it's true
It's
because
true.
0 is 10 is bigger than 10. 0 is
Yeah,
less than
I
10. Yeah.
is 0, 0 is smaller. So it is true. If it is true, then it will execute, right?
Yes.
So it's meeting the condition. Okay. So what I can do, then I can say I plus plus. What does it mean? It meaning I can loop through. Okay. It will print I is 0. Since I say I plus plus, meaning 0 plus 1. Okay, plus plus mean plus 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. Okay, again it will check whether I is less than 10, condition is still true. So plus 1 equal to 2. Again it will check the condition, and again condition is true. So 2 plus 1, 3. Again it will check I is less than 10. So 3 plus. So it will loop through again and again. Okay, until it is true, it will loop through and print it the output and see the output now. So do you understand it?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
So first time check the condition and we increment 1, so it becomes 1. Now second time it check condition 1 plus 1 equal to 2. Okay, so first time 1 is 1. Second time it's 2 plus 1, 3. Third time it increase 1 every time it loops through. Okay, then it will like 7. Mm, 6. So 1, 8. 8 plus 1 equal to 9. Okay, all right, is it clear? No, you can loop through 100,000. It really doesn't matter. No. Go back. make it 100. Now, how many times it will print?
99 times. 0 to
99
99.
times. Yes, 99 times. It's 99. If I want to print 100, what I can do?
You just need to put equal sign with
Equal
100.
sign.
Mhm.
Okay. I can do it 2 ways. These are interview question. 2 ways. What is another way? I can make it 101, right?
Yes.
Okay. So these are silly questions, but sometimes interviewer can tell you share the screen, loop through, use while loop, and print 100. So to print 100, either you have to do it, then he or she might ask you how you can make it, you can print 100. Then you can say, I can print 100 just putting equal sign just after less than sign and put 100 instead of 101. Clear?
Yes. Mhm.
Okay. Now, there is also another loop, that is do while loop. Okay, let's do while loop in Java. What is it? This is while loop. All right. So better I go directly with example. So for do while loop, same way we can do integer I equal to 0. Okay, and just say do, start with do. Okay, and curly braces. See, so control spacebar, and I just print I, and just increments, and after the curly braces we say while condition goes later. Okay, something like this. You can put here or you can put here, that really doesn't matter. Now there is I, one more, that is why it is showing error. You can make comments, multi-line comments. Now error gone. Okay, so you can run it, and usually we use while loop much more than do while loop. What are the difference in between two? In while loop we put condition first, but in do while loop we put condition last. Clear?
Yes.
So this is interview question. What do you prefer using in your program? While loop or do while loop? Your answer will be, I will prefer while loop. Okay. Then he will ask you, what are the difference between two? Almost the purpose is same. It's doing the same job, but in while loop we put the condition. Syntax is a little different. condition come first just after while in while loop. But in do while loop, condition comes last, okay, at the end.
Okay.
These are the difference. Clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
If you don't have question, we can end our class here. And actually, while loop, do while loop, and we have also for loop. So we can complete for loop and break continue in next class, okay?
Sure.
And
Okay.
Java fundamentals is going to be ended. We are going to start with advanced Java in the next classes.
Okay.
And we will also discuss unit testing framework. The developers, they must know unit testing and integration testing. Okay?
Yes. Yes,
Thank
sir.
you.
Okay, thank you so much. Have a good night.
Good night.
Don't forget Eid celebration. I'm coming to New Jersey and Boston.
Sure,
Sure.
sir. Sure. I'll send you my
Okay,
address.
thank you. Thank you so much.
Sure. Thank you so much, sir.
Have a
Have
good
a good night.
Have a good
Good
night.
night.
Have a good night, guys.